tile. It's going on the ceiling. Okay, so that's the ceiling. Okay, so got a master bathroom to do here. Steam shower with a sloped ceiling. So I'm going to put all the curdy board up here. It's going to be a bench seat over here. 12 by 24 on a tile. 16 by 30 on the walls. So this is a tile for the ceiling. And this is the tile for the shower walls. Okay, so I got all the curdy board up. So I have several videos that show exactly how to do this. Okay, so this is the tile. It's going on the ceiling. So here I'm actually using Tech Superflex, which is a very high polymer content thinset. It's a good thinset for setting glass tile. So this is actually a steam shower. So what that means is that the waterproofing has to be much more stringent than it would be for just a regular shower. The steam can penetrate into the cavities of the wall much more than just regular water. So the perm rating of the substrate you're using has to be adequate for steam showers. You can't just put up, say, like a cement backer board and tile it and expect there to be no penetration of moisture into the wall cavity. You have to actually make sure that you get something that's adequate for a steam shower. Schluter curdy board is actually rated for steam in a residential setting. If this were a continuous functioning steam shower, then you would have to use Curdy DS, which is a thicker membrane. But for a residential setting, the curdy board is actually fine. A lot of other membranes and liquid membranes are not, so you got to be very careful. Okay, so here I'm using a piece of curdy board to lift the tile into place so that I can set the entire sheet into the thinset all at once. And the reason I do this is because if you try and do it by hand, the sheet is folding and flopping down, and you get one corner in, and as you try and lift it, it pulls. It's very difficult to get it to set. This way you can get the whole sheet to contact the thinset all at once, and it will stay up that way. And then I use a float to press it in and rub it into the thinset so you get good contact, and the sheet won't come off the ceiling that way. But the key is to use a flat piece of either a piece of plywood or a piece of curdy board, whatever you've got on hand, to bring the sheet flat up to the ceiling. Now on this sheet, you'll see me rubbing the sheet with the float. Normally on glass mosaic tile on the regular mesh that they have, you wouldn't want to rub it. You just want to push it in, because rubbing it would actually move the tile. But the mesh on this is very tight, and the glass is actually very rigid on this particular tile, so the tiles don't actually move. They're kind of tight together. Okay, so that's the ceiling. So next, I'm going to put the tar paper and the wire down and install the drain.